Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app. Click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, that's 28.1 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model, and other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.